Cleaning a slicer properly is extremely important. Hobart's HS series slicers have a tilting and removable carriage. The operator is demonstrating the tilting feature, which is great for wiping down the slicer throughout the day. However, in order to clean and sanitize all of the small crevices of the slicer, a removable carriage is necessary. A removable carriage allows the operator to completely submerge the carriage in a 3-part sink, eliminating the possibility of debris collecting in crevices and other small areas that may not be accessible during a wipe down. When using a 3-part sink, items should be washed in a detergent solution of at least 110 degrees, rinsed, sanitized, and then air dried. In addition to the carriage, the knife cover, and ring guard can also be removed, making the slicer easier to clean. The carriage and ring guard should be washed in a 3-part sink. The knife and knife cover can be washed in a 3-part sink or wear washer. Removing these parts allows the operator to clean and sanitize even the most hard-to-reach areas. After everything is cleaned and sanitized, the operator can easily reassemble the slicer. It is now ready to go.